Good morning, class 12. So, we are in chapter 14, that is national income. And today's topic is injections, withdrawals, and equilibrium in the circular flow. So, first we will understand what is injection. You can see this diagram, okay, as you know that two sector, okay, two sector in the circular flow of income. So, first is, as you can see here, farm, okay, and second is household. Okay, you can see here house. So this is the two sector. So one thing what you have to remember is that, so we know that there are some services which is rendered by the household or the farms, okay, and for that services farm pay the factor payment to the household. Yes, so here what we have to understand, that is what is injection, what is withdrawals. This 2 point we have to remember. So here you need to remember that if any household, okay, if any household receive any amount which is not coming from the farm, then it is referred to injection. Okay, so here I can see you that I can explain you. So any amount, I was saying, any amount, if any household receive any amount which is not coming from the farm. Similarly, if any amount receiving farm, okay, which is not coming from household, then that is known as injection. Like you can see here that there is a investment done by the bank which is not coming from the household, government expenditure which is not coming from the household, or you can say export means from the, there is a selling of goods and services, from selling of goods, okay, from abroad, export, so it's also coming, okay, but there is no, it's not coming from the household, then this is known as injection. Okay, always remember that injection, it increases the size of the circular flow. Now second, you can see that what is withdrawals. So sometimes it has been seen that whole amount, okay, the household do not spend whole amount in farm. Sometimes household keep for the saving, okay, sometimes farm keep for the saving. It's not use whole amount for producing the goods, okay, when it gives taxes, when the both the farm and household, they are not exchanging the goods and services to each other, but they are giving to outsiders taxes. Import means import, buying of goods from the other countries. So these all are what withdrawal, and withdrawal always decreases the size of the circular flow. Now one more point was there, that point is equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Okay, so equilibrium, there is no increment in size, okay, size of the circular flow, or we can say that if the size of the circular flow remains the same from one period to another period, then there is said to be equilibrium in the circular flow. In other words, we can say that when the amount of injection, okay, when the amount of injection which is referred, we can refer injection from J, when the amount of injection equal to withdrawals, then we can say that there is a equilibrium in the circular flow. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this.